In today's video, I'm going to show you how to store contact form data directly into a database using WordPress. By the end, you'll be able to manage all your form responses right from your dashboard. First, open your browser and go to WordPress.com. Click the Login button at the top right and choose Continue with Google for a quick and secure login. Select the account linked to your WordPress site and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Next, on the left panel, find the Feedback section and click it. The forms you've created. Click on Form Responses to access every entry submitted through your contact forms, whether it's inquiries, feedback, or other submissions. Everything is neatly organized so you can view, manage, and respond to entries directly in WordPress. No more searching through emails. Your form data is all in one place, making communication with visitors faster and more efficient. And that's it. Up WordPress to store and manage your contact form data seamlessly. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips. Happy managing.